Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into how Donald Trump's policies could impact Pakistan. Right off the bat, let's talk about counter-terrorism cooperation. With Trump back in office, Pakistan's role in counter-terrorism may face intense scrutiny. Trump's approach is transactional, meaning Pakistan could be pressured to show its worth in tackling transnational threats. Next up, economic engagement and trade policies. Trump's America First stance often led to tariffs and trade barriers. For Pakistan, this could hit industries like textiles hard. But there's a silver lining. Sectors like energy, IT, and agriculture might still see investment opportunities if Trump pursues economic ties outside traditional trade barriers. Diplomatic engagement is crucial. As Trump's policies can shift unpredictably, Pakistan needs to stay adaptable. Strategic engagement remains key, but with Trump, it's all about bilateral benefits rather than long-term alliances. Shifting gears to military aid. Trump previously slashed military aid and pushed allies to ramp up their own defense spending. For Pakistan, this could mean less US military support and more pressure to address security concerns independently. Now, let's touch on Trump's stance on Kashmir mediation. Trump offered to mediate the Kashmir conflict before, but it was mostly seen as superficial. In his second term, he might not revisit Kashmir, and if he does, it could be more about personal gain than genuine diplomacy. Transactional diplomacy is another hallmark of Trump's approach. Pakistan's strategy with the US will need to emphasize tangible benefits for America. Handling issues discreetly will be crucial to avoid triggering Trump's punitive responses. Finally, the impact of personality-driven policies. Trump's foreign policy often mirrors his personal agenda, bringing unpredictability. Pakistan might face challenges in forecasting US actions and should prioritize flexible diplomacy to navigate this evolving landscape. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more insights on international relations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.